Welcome to the best picks. The best HDMI repair kit is probably one of the most useful tools for tech enthusiasts and home users alike, allowing you to troubleshoot and fix common HDMI connection issues, saving you money and the frustration of replacing perfectly good cables or devices. This kit empowers you to diagnose problems, repair damaged connectors, and restore your high-definition audio and video experience, ensuring seamless connectivity between all your favorite devices, from gaming consoles and Blu-ray players to your home theater system and computer monitors. Number 5. Rinbers Xbox One S HDMI Port. Is your Xbox One S HDMI port damaged? This replacement kit makes repairs easy. Get your console working again quickly. These are original replacement parts, ensuring a perfect fit and reliable performance. They're designed specifically for the Xbox One S console. The kit includes 2 HDMI ports. You get a spare, or can replace both ports at once for optimal performance. It only fits the Xbox One S model. Double-check your console model before ordering. Different serial codes are compatible. Professional installation is recommended for best results. If you're not comfortable with repairs, seek professional help. We stand behind our product. Enjoy a 1-year warranty for peace of mind. Make sure there's no man-made damage before returning it. What we like. It comes with 2 pieces, specifically designed for the Xbox One S. If you need a reliable replacement and value getting a spare, this is a great choice. Its original quality ensures a perfect fit and optimal performance for your console. What people say. I highly recommend these HDMI ports for a Xbox One S. I just used a heat gun to remove the old broken one and to install this new one. Good product. Number 4. PS4 HDMI Port Kit. This kit provides a simple solution for repairing your PlayStation 4's HDMI port. It's easy to install and will get your console back up and running quickly. It doesn't matter which model you have, this kit works with all PlayStation 4 consoles. Ensure compatibility before purchasing. It is constructed from high-quality materials to ensure a long-lasting repair. Get a reliable fix that will last. The kit includes everything you need for a smooth and straightforward repair. You can easily fix your console yourself. The package contains 1 HDMI port socket interface connector. Everything you need is right here in one box. This is a brand new, high-quality HDMI port replacement. Enjoy a perfect picture again with your PS4. What we like. This is a high-quality replacement part tailored for the PS4 Pro Slim. If you're looking for a simple, straightforward repair, this is the perfect solution. Its ease of installation makes it ideal for those with basic repair skills. What people say. Make sure you are a master solderer though or know someone who is. If you have micro soldering experience, with adequate prep and the right tools, this is not a difficult job. All the pin pads were fine. Number 3. HDMI Cable Tester Board. This handy tool helps you easily check the status of your HDMI cables during repair or replacement. It's simple to use and provides clear visual feedback. It ensures proper configuration and continuity of your HDMI cables. Just connect it and see the results. It features 19+1 lights, each corresponding to a pin on the HDMI connector. When you touch a pin, the corresponding light illuminates. This allows you to easily map the continuity and identify any issues within the cable. It's a quick and efficient way to troubleshoot. The indicator lights clearly show the status of each pin. This makes it easy to diagnose problems and ensure proper functionality. It simplifies the process of repairing or replacing HDMI connectors. It's perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. What we like. This handy tool helps you check your HDMI cables during repairs. If you're a DIY enthusiast and need to ensure your HDMI cables are working correctly, this is a must-have. It simplifies the troubleshooting process and saves you time. What people say. This device made it so easy to see where each of the 20 HDMI wires needed to be seated in the new end. My HDMI cable was in the wall. I extended the red wire 20 feet by attaching one speaker wire to the little needle. Touching the other end of the speaker wire to the HDMI wires lit up the corresponding numbered red light on this unit. Having a second person was helpful. It was then just a matter of seating the wires in the correct slot of the new end. The slots were all numbered. Shipped quickly and received on the indicated date. Handy HDMI tester, especially when used with Amazon's Tiansic 2 PCS HDMI PCB test socket. Makes testing cables quick, repairs easy, and testing the final results simple. Well worth it when addressing damaged or potentially damaged in-wall HDMI cables. In my case, the tester eliminated the in-wall cable as the problem, pointing me to the keystone. This was simple and easy to use and will be an immense help in diagnosing whether I have a bad cable. Simply put the batteries in, plug up your cable to one end, turn the switch on, and put the tester end on a pin of the free end of the HDMI cable. If you have a good circuit, you'll see a light of the appropriate pin and hear a squeal from the mini speaker. Number 2. PS4 Video Audio Port Connector. These high-quality connectors are specifically designed to replace worn-out ports on your Sony PlayStation 4 console. They're easy to install, but professional installation is recommended for best results. This product is compatible with the standard Sony PlayStation 4 console. Please note, it's not compatible with the PS4 Slim or PS4 Pro models. The package includes 2 replacement video and audio port connectors. You'll have everything you need to get your console working perfectly again. While it's designed for easy installation, we always recommend having a professional install these connectors to ensure a secure and long-lasting repair. These connectors are brand new and made with high-quality materials. They're the perfect OEM replacement for your damaged ports, restoring your PS4 to its former glory. Don't let damaged ports keep you from gaming. These replacement connectors will have your PlayStation 4 up and running in no time. What we like. This pack provides 2 replacement ports, compatible with the original PS4 console. If you need a reliable, original quality replacement for your PS4 and appreciate having a spare, this is a smart option. The OEM quality guarantees a perfect fit and function. What people say. Good quality and worked like a charm. I repair consoles in my spare time and these ports are great. Out of all the ports I have tried so far, these are the best quality I've used. Solder great and pins are always perfectly aligned. Installing it was like a DIY adventure for me. The Zyutech connector was the key to unlocking a whole new realm of gaming glory. I put this connector through its paces, and boy, did it deliver. No more glitchy graphics or wonky displays. The video quality even seemed to get a boost. Number 1. ACTMODZ PS4 HDMI Port Repair Kit. This kit contains everything you need to repair your PlayStation 4's HDMI port. It's a simple solution for a common problem. Inside, you'll find 4 high-quality HDMI port connectors and a precision screwdriver. Everything is included for a professional-looking repair. While it's a simple repair, some technical skill is required. If you're not comfortable with small electronics repairs, it's best to seek professional help. These replacement parts are designed to perfectly match your PS4 console. They're built to last and restore your console to its original functionality. For best results, we highly recommend professional installation. Improper installation could damage your console. Consider your skill level before attempting the repair. Don't let a broken HDMI port keep you from gaming. This kit provides a cost-effective way to get your PlayStation 4 back in action. What we like. This kit includes 4 replacement ports and even a screwdriver. If you need multiple replacements or prefer a complete kit with all the necessary tools, this is the perfect choice. The included screwdriver adds convenience and ensures you have everything you need for a successful repair. What people say. The ports worked great for me. I am a repair tech and used the bottom heater on my rework station and hot air to finish the lift. The ports fit perfectly on the PS4 I was working on, and they seem sturdier than the original port. After the repair, the video output works perfectly. All 4 were fine. I am a repair tech. I tried to use the heat gun, but I did not want to put too much heat on the board, used the solder sucker and wick. Yes, I had to add more solder on the ground mounting holes, pain in the butt getting the connector out, not easy without the special tools. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.